In this video, I'll show you how to translate subscription widgets for a multi-language store using Kaching Subscriptions. This helps subscription text match your store language automatically. First, go to Settings, Languages, and make sure the language you want to support is added. If it's not there yet, add the language and translate your store using Shopify Translate and Adapt. This step is important. The language must exist in Shopify before it can be translated inside subscription widgets. Next, open Kaching Subscriptions and go to Translations. Here you'll see all available languages that are already added to your store. Inside Translations, you'll see 4 areas you can translate. We'll start with Widget. The same translation flow applies to selling plans, cancellation reasons, and retention text. You'll just repeat these steps for each section. Click Auto Translate to generate translations automatically. These translations use Google's Translation API to speed things up. Auto Translation gives you a fast and accurate baseline. It's recommended to quickly review key text to ensure it matches your brand tone. Save your changes. Now, when you switch the store language, the subscription widget will automatically update to match the selected language. With translations in place, the next step is boosting average order value by combining subscriptions with bundles.